Hi, today we are going to talk about how to use content marketing to grow your business. Now, if you are new to content marketing, if you don't understand how this works, you are going to love it because this totally turns the tables and allows you the opportunity to compete with the big guys. Hi, and welcome to the show today. Today we're talking about how to use content marketing to grow your business. Now, just to let you know a little bit about me, my name is Scott Wilhite. I'm the Record Yourself video coach. I help heart-centered entrepreneurs who want to make a difference in the world and who want to grow their business use the power of video to grow that. And today we're going to talk about content marketing. Now, if you don't know what content marketing is, this is amazing stuff. This is great. This is a great tool that you can use that kind of turns the tables. It makes the playing field super level for you so that you can, with very limited money, you hardly have to spend anything on this at all in order to grow your influence and grow your business. So with that, we're going to talk about content marketing, and I'm going to share with you the secret that just blew my mind when I found out about how effective this is and how it really works. But first, let me tell you a little bit about content marketing. So I learned about this, I don't know, like 5 or 6 years ago, I guess. And I learned about it from a lady who was using content marketing to grow her massage therapy business. She had a business where she would go into companies and she would provide the services for their employees. Well, she started using content marketing in order to grow her influence and grow her business. And at the time, when I found out about her, she was like the largest massage therapist group in the state of Utah. And she had grown into Colorado. I think she was in Nevada as well and looking into California. It was just kind of this remarkable thing that happened because of content marketing. Now, what she was doing to grow her business is she was doing blog articles. She would write these articles that would talk about the benefits that employees have, that employers have when their employees are relaxed, and how massage therapy helps with that. And anyway, she would create all of these different articles using her thought leadership, using the knowledge that she had and the research that she was able to do. And she would create these great blog post articles that when businesses would find them, they would go, oh, wow, she really knows what she's talking about. We need to have her and her people come into our business every Thursday or every Tuesday and provide those services to our employees. So that's how she grew her business. So I started to think, okay, I'm into content marketing. I don't have much of a budget. And so that's the perfect way for me to grow my business without a lot of money. So content marketing, super excited about it. So I start writing articles. Oh my goodness, it was so hard. It took forever because and at the time I was sharing my happiness resources. I wrote a book, I created an app on the science of happiness and basically that happiness is a skill. And so I wanted to get that out there. And everything that I was writing would take so long because I wanted to make sure it was well written and well researched and had great credentials in there and great links for people to find out more. And it was just taking forever. Well, I went to a conference, and at that conference, there were a couple of people, a husband and wife team, and they were doing podcasting. And they started talking about content marketing. And they said, if you were doing content marketing and you were blogging, you're totally doing it the hard way. And at this time, I am exhausted. And I'm thinking, yes, this is so hard. This is the hard way. And then they painted a picture for me of what it takes and what it looks like to create a podcast. And they said right at the beginning, we press record, and then we talk and we talk and we talk, and at the end we press stop and it's done. There's no editing, there's no anything. We share our message, we share our insights, we share our knowledge, we share our expertise, and through this expertise we're able to help a lot of people, and it grows our business. And I started to think, oh my gosh, that is so much easier than writing everything out and researching it all out and doing all of this content creation. And so I started to look at that. But before I jumped into podcasting, I thought, you know what? Video. video is a much more powerful way to connect with people, because then they can look in your eyes, they can hear you in your voice, and they can tell that you're being sincere. And when you have that kind of connection with people, you're able to make a great difference. So that's when I started to look at using video in a systemized way to create content that would help people. So with that, that's kind of the basic understanding of content marketing. And the big surprise there was that it's easy. It is way easier than writing, because talking is simple and you can just come up with ideas, and you have so much in what you can share and how you can help people. So I do want to give you one special, treat, one little insight that will help you understand, okay, how does content marketing actually fit in with a business model? So, and this is something that I learned from this massage therapist. She said that she would do like 3 different articles that were just about giving. She just gives value. She just teaches. She gives her expertise. She shares her knowledge. And then in the 4th one, she will add an offer. And in that offer, they could do whatever, was in her offer to find out more. So for me, I do these videos, but I also tell people, hey, if you're thinking about recording yourself, you're probably going to want to know what kind of gear to get, right? Well, maybe you'd want to hop on over and get my gear guide. And it's free, and as people go over to get my gear guide, they're going to find great value there as well. But in there is an offer. They get to find out about my Record Yourself Quick Start Challenge, which is a paid thing where I go deeper and help people actually record themselves. But the point is, we're given value, and then you make an offer. And the offer comes after you've already helped, after you've already served, after you've already made this connection with people through your content marketing, through the value that you're giving them. So I hope that kind of opens your mind to what you can do, how you can share, how you can create or use your expertise to create a following and serve people in remarkable ways. And by doing that through the power of the internet, it is low cost. You're able to do it at, virtually nothing budget-wise. And then I'm happy to help you systemize it by creating a studio, creating a system for how to get your videos out there and to make that difference. Because honestly, one video probably isn't going to it's not going to change the world for you. But when you have an entire series, when you have an entire library, when you have a lot of content that people can find you and then make that connection to you, that's where you're going to make the difference. So anyway, I hope that helps you understand how to use content marketing to grow your business. I hope that you can see the possibilities for how that connection can happen with your audience, and how you as a heart-centered entrepreneur can make a difference when you show up on video. If you're a heart-centered person who wants to make a difference in the world, video is the way to do it. I'm happy to help you get started. Click right here to take my Quick Start Challenge, and you can get started today.